Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to forward multiple messages on the Messenger app using your PC. This new update makes sharing multiple messages a breeze, so let's dive in. First, start by opening the Messenger app on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, enter your details to access your chats. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where the messages you want to forward are located. You'll see your conversations listed on the left side of the screen. Click on the chat to open it. Now that you're in the chat, scroll through the conversation to find the first message you want to forward. Once you locate it, hover your cursor over the message. You'll see 3 dots appear to the right. Click on those 3 dots to access more options. In the menu that pops up, click on Forward. This will bring up a new window where you can select the recipient for your forwarded message. You can now type in the name of the person or group you'd like to send the message to. As you type, suggestions will appear based on your contacts. Once you find the right recipient, click on their name. After selecting the recipient, look for the Send button next to their name. Click on it, and your first message will be forwarded. Now, if you want to forward more messages, simply repeat the steps. Scroll to the next message you want to send, hover over it, click the 3 dots, and select Forward again. Then, choose the same recipient or a different one, and hit Send. Continue this process until you've forwarded all the messages you want. It's a quick and efficient way to share information without needing to copy and paste. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple messages on the Messenger app using your PC. Now you can easily share important information or fun content with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy messaging!